Hello, this is a picture from Keswick taken earlier in the afternoon of a rainbow and some shower cloud, and we have seen some sunshine coming through today, but as we say goodbye to one band of rain and hill snow, the other has already arrived across the southwest of the British Isles. So through the rush hour across the southern half of the UK, it looks fairly miserable. I think the best of the drier weather as we go through the evening will be further north. This could give us another 5 to 10 millimetres of rain quite widely across southern parts of England, South Wales. There could be some thunder activity as well, just to highlight how active it could be. So the M4 corridor looking fairly wet. It's still relatively mild though around this band of rain in the south, but all day we've struggled with temperatures just 2 or 3 degrees above freezing in the north. So you can appreciate as the sun goes down here, temperatures will fall away like a stone. And actually with some showers around and a frost, there's an anticipation of some ice issues here. And given the rain clears late in the night, we may just about escape a frost, but road temperatures may dip towards freezing by dawn. So we will be keeping a close eye on the risk of ice in this part of the world as well. But otherwise, Friday looks like a decent day. Yes, it'll be cold to start with. We'll be scraping the cars, but it looks as if the rain should hold off for most, except perhaps the far west of Northern Ireland until after dark, and for the far west of Scotland, mostly the Western Isles. It'll be slightly less cold in the north and not as mild in the south. And that's because we're changing the weather script now. We've got this mild Atlantic air coming in, a very strong southwesterly wind, which has already been warned about as we go into Saturday, and some appreciable rains as well, because you're picking up a lot of moisture with all that warmth that's around in the Atlantic at the moment. So that means a lot of rainfall, possibly 100 millimetres or more for some parts of Highland Scotland, across the Cumbrian Fells. Some very windy weather whipping up across North Wales through the day. Eventually it will reach the south overnight, but it looks like a dryish day here, although increasingly windy and increasingly cloudy as well. Now that weather front does eventually push its way southwards, but as a much weaker affair. Not that much rain in southern areas compared with further north. And behind it we've got some showers following on behind for Sunday, so eventually becoming drier and brighter, but colder I think for the second part of the weekend, just because we get into that colder air with some wintry showers in the north. There are warnings out, they're on the website.